method, chapter number 2nd. They can study it by the number is terminating or non-terminating. The number will be divided is in p by q form. The number will be divided is in the decimal form, or the decimal form they are divided is into p by q form. In this period we can study the most important parts of 9th standard is surds. First we can study the symbol of surds. Therefore n root of a, in this symbol the root is a radical sign of surds. Radical sign of surds, हे सर्टचं रॅडिकल त्या ठिकाणी साईन आहे, म्हणजे सिम्बॉल आहे सर्टचा सिम्बॉल. याची किंमत जर पाहिली तर ती हाफ असते. रॅडिकल साईन ऑफ सर्ट्स. नेक्स्ट एन इज ऑर्डर ऑफ सर्ट्स. ऑर्डर ऑफ सर्ट्स, तर या ठिकाणी जो नंबर असतो ती सर्टची ऑर्डर असते, ऑर्डर. आणि ए जर पाहिला आपण, ए इट हॅज अ रेडिकांट, याला त्या ठिकाणी रेडिकांट असं म्हटलं जातं, म्हणजे कर्निस्थ संख्या. कर्निस्थ संख्या म्हणजे कर्णीमध्ये असलेली संख्या. ऑर्डर ऑफ सर्ट्स म्हणजे कर्णीची कोटी. कर्णीची कोटी. मग याला म्हटलं जातं कर्णीची कोटी आणि याला म्हटलं जातं त्या ठिकाणी रेडिकांट, कर्निस्थ संख्या. आता आपण याच्यावरचे त्या ठिकाणी उदाहरणं पाहणार आहेत. आपल्याला 2.3 एक्झरसाइज दिलेली आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट, राईट ऑर्डर अँड रेडिकांट. राईट ऑर्डर and radicand. First example is cube root of 7. Its order is equal to 3 and radicand will be 7. Next, second example, fifth root of 12. Therefore its order is 2. It has not any digit, it has a 2. Radicand is equal to 12. 5 is not order. There is a number in a side of root. There is a not order. Its order will be 2 and 12 will be radicand. Next, example number 3, fourth root of 10. Therefore order is equal to 4. Radicand will be 10. Next, root of 39. Its order is equal to 2 and radicand will be 39. Next example, cube root of 18. Therefore order is 3 and radicand will be 18. Study again. This is the radical symbol of surds. हे कर्णीचं चिन्ह आहे. इथे जो नंबर लिहिलेला असतो त्याला आपण कर्निस्थ संख्या म्हणतो, रेडिकांड. इथं जो नंबर लिहिलेला असेल कर्णीच्या मध्ये त्याला आपण त्या ठिकाणी ऑर्डर ऑफ सर्ट्स, कर्णीची कोटी असं म्हणतो. आणि त्याच्यावर आपल्याला प्रश्न दिलेला आहे, ऑर्डर आणि रेडिकांड ओळखायचं आहे. इथली जी संख्या असते ती ऑर्डर असते. याची ऑर्डर 3, याची ऑर्डर 4, याची ऑर्डर 2, काहीच नाही म्हणजे 2, याची ऑर्डर 2, याची ऑर्डर 3. इथला जो नंबर असतो त्याला रेडिकांड इज 7, here is 10, here is 12, 39, 18. Next, like search and unlike search. Like search and unlike search, there is also important parts. First we can study the like search. Like search, the search are is in the form of p root of a and q root of a. There is a like search. The like search, which is the search having the degree is same, its degree is 2, its degree is also 2, and the radicand is also same. Such a set is called as a like search. For example, 3 4th root of 9 and 10 4th root of 25. There is it has a 9. The order is 4 and it has a radicand is 9. Therefore such a search is a like search, and other search is a unlike search. Unlike search, which is the search, it has a different orders and different radicands. For example, 4 cube root of 9, 4 fifth root of 125. There is a unlike search because it has a different orders and its radicand is also different. Such a search is called as a unlike search. Next, comparison of search. सर्च वरती आपल्याला तुलना कशी करायची आहे. कंपॅरिझन, कंपेअर सर्च वरती आपल्याला कंपॅरिझन करायची आहे. क्यूब रूट ऑफ 12, क्यूब रूट ऑफ 81. Therefore the order will be check first its order is same. Therefore its radicand is 12, its radicand is 81. Therefore this search is greater as compared to this search because its radicand is larger, its radicand is smaller. Therefore this search will be smaller. Such a also root 25 and root 16, its order is same, its radicand is greater as 16. Therefore root of 25 is greater than root of 16. Next, cube root of 81 is equal to cube root of 81. It has a similar search, equal search. See again, the order is same, 81 is greater, there is a greater search. Order is same, root 25 is greater than root 16. Cube root of 81 is equal to cube root of 81. There is a same search. Next, simplify the search. The search will be simplified. First, the radicand will be split is in two parts. The one part is a complete square number. For example, simplify root 27. Root 27. The root 27 will be split is in two parts. 9 into 3. The root of 9 is 3 root of 3. There is a simplification. Another example is root 50. Root 50 is also split 25 into 2. 25 is a root of 5. 5 root 2. There is a simplified form of root 50. there is simplified form of root 27. Another is root of 2050. 2050 will be split is in two parts, 25 into 10. Therefore root of 25 is 5. 5 root of 10. There is a simplified form of root 250. There is a problem for 2.3. जर आपण या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब केलं तर आपल्याला पुढचे जे गणित आहेत ते लवकरात लवकर पाठवले जातील. म्हणून चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करणं, लाईक करणं गरजेचं आहे.